came to bring y'all this ultimate, look at it, wet look, okay? Edges laid, portrayed, looking right and looking laid, baby, slay. Okay, I came to show y'all this wet look. A lot of people are wondering, how do I get it? How do I do it? This tutorial is going to show you exactly how to achieve the wet look. It can be with curly hair, it can be with wavy hair. I would recommend it with any hair besides straight. But you can also do this with straight hair as well. Because normally every version straight hair has some sort of like a little wave to it. So yeah guys, if you want to know how to get this ultimate wet look, I am using drama hair. So yeah guys, let's get into it. Okay y'all, so to start, I just have a new stocking cap under here. You're just going to separate your hair into two parts. This is the way I like to do it. Or to wet your hair, you could take the whole unit off and, you know, put it under the water or whatever. But I like to do it like this. You're gonna comb it out, brush it out. This will also help with sticking your unit without having to use any type of glue, especially if you are doing baby hairs. I cannot say it will stick it if you're not doing baby hairs. So yes, this will help stick your unit if you are doing baby hairs as well. So yeah, first thing we're going to do is take your spray bottle, wet that whole section down real good. Y'all, I am using drama hair for this tutorial. So then we're gonna comb through it while it's wet. Okay. Comb through it, make sure there's no tangles. You wanna make sure there's no tangles because once you are finished, you are not gonna touch this hair anymore pretty much. So, we have that, it's all wet, see that? We're gonna take this Tropical Roots mousse, 3 pumps of it, rub it in your hand, kind of get some up here. Y'all said y'all want this wet look now. Okay, I'll say 3 pumps. I usually do about 4 pumps though. Sometimes I do them one at a time. Sometimes I do them all together like so. Then I do one more pump. Put it wherever I think that, you know, I didn't get any product. So this section is all set. You scrunch it a little bit like this. The more mousse you use, the more wet it's gonna look. So I like for mine not to be too product filled, so I use a little bit, like 5 pumps of mousse, and then I'll scrunch it, and then when it gets older, it get a little bit puffy, you know. So yeah, that is how it look. See, this is not curly hair. This is the beach wave hair by Drama Hair. So I want it to look wavy, not really curly. But with curly, it look good too, boo. So y'all see the difference already? Get closer. Okay, sis. Okay, so let's do this other side real quick, y'all. And then we're gonna move to the parts at the top. So y'all, now we have both sections, you feel me, wet set it. We gotta get to these edges, baby. So I like to part out a little bit of my edges here, you know. And then I'm gonna take a clip, y'all. Clip back the top part, okay? So we parted out our edges. We're gonna clip back the top part. Clip back the top part over here. Okay. Now, we're gonna take some mousse in our edge brush. Okay. We're gonna set these baby hairs, baby. Now I like my baby hairs done a certain way. Y'all can do y'all's however y'all like. I like to have this one coming across the middle like so. Okay, I like to do it like that. Then I take this one. I like it to go like that, okay? And I usually only do one swoop on this side. Kind of like so. Okay, so this is usually how I do them. Wipe off all the extra, no big deal. And then on top of that, I'll take my Gorilla Snot right on top of the mousse. And this shit, when I tell you be laid like glue, honey, I take it right on top of it and go over it. You don't even have to brush if you don't want to. You could literally just wipe it on there, but I like to brush mine because I don't know, the Gorilla Snot give it a different lay pattern. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It makes the lay a lot smoother. See that? Do y'all see that? Last one. So after that, I'll take a little bit of the extra and just wipe it on top. Make sure that boy glued, okay? Well, I got a little piece of, oh, okay. And that's not necessary, that's just what I like to do. I'm showing y'all my way. So after we got all of that laid, like so, laid to the gods, baby. I got a piece of lace I can cut right there. I'm gonna cut it later. I release the top like this. And of course, you have to comb this back out. You know what I'm saying? Like kind of comb a little bit. Woo, woo, woo. But I like to take my electric hot comb like this and just go through the part like this. Make sure it's all flat. Some people like to sculpt theirs backwards like that. You want your hair more out your face. Like so. Okay. You gotta hit the back too. Now, whatever we do, we gotta be flat. You feel me? Can't have your lace out here looking a hot mess. So yeah, I kind of like wiggle it out and scrunch a little more, baby. And this is the ultimate wet set, boo. Let it dry, it's gonna look the exact same. So don't try to rub your hands through it as much. Just let it dry. Like go outside, let it dry, go about your day. But this is so cute. It's so fast, it's so easy. The more you do it, the easier it gets. So yeah, this is what it looks like in the back. Y'all, I am using drama here. So this is my wet look. Okay, so I hope y'all like it. Put them edges on fleek, you feel me? See it? So yeah, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure you leave a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. As always, it's your girl, the Ching thing, and I'll be back again. Bye.
Think I